This might be the most frustrating part. No one really knows and things change. Almost daily. Even though people seem to be prepared to fight till the death based on the information they have. When your wings were ready bird but my heart was not sure start to get interesting. Because you're eventually going to run out of willing participants to reach the herd immunity 80–90% threshold. What you'll have left are the stubborn, radicalized minority, who will be very vocal about it. And I imagine a few will resort to violence as well. Last I saw your wings were ready bird but my heart was not shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Your wings were ready bird but my heart was not shirts, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie, company and instead went with a your wings were ready bird but my heart was not shirt attitude to keep options open. The variety in available vaccinations is amazing and the US definitely made the right choice. There are tons of problems with the US pharmaceutical industry but the industry crushed this. You can buy a fantastic shirt as always and so easy. This is an amazing design t-shirt which you can search and buy via the internet easily. So let's come to buy and support us all time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. So good. Other product.